Any car that you could not buy new again or pay to repair should have extra insurance on it. A car's value depreciates rapidly, and after a few years of use, you may decide to drop your extra coverage. Is the extra cost worth the benefit your insurance company will pay? It's your call. How much does car insurance cost? Estimating your car insurance premiums can be challenging. Car insurance estimator tools geared for Canadian drivers requires less information, but that also makes them less accurate. Car insurance companies in Canada cost vary considerably throughout the country. The Canadian companies. That's why it is so important to compare quotes online for auto insurance companies in Canada. The province in Canada with the highest car insurance premiums are Ontario and B.C. There are multiple factors that affect rates in each province of Canada. Number one is regulatory regime. Some provinces in Canada have public insurance like B.C., Manitoba, and Saskatchewan and Quebec, which actually has a hybrid public private regime. Elsewhere in Canada, auto insurance is provided by private companies, which are also subject to provincial regulations. Number Next point is loss ratios. Insurance companies in Canada have different loss ratios in every province or territory that they operate in. The loss ratio is the amount of revenue earned through premiums versus claims payout. A high loss ratio means an insurance company is not generating as much profit because they are paying a lot out in the form of claims. Number next point is population. Densely populated cities in Canada tend to have higher auto insurance premiums. The data shows that's because more cars on the roads mean higher likelihood of collisions and theft, thus increase in the insurance premiums rate. Number next is right to sue laws. Quebec in Canada has some of the lowest insurance rates in the country because drivers does not have the right to sue for damage. In Ontario, you do not have right to sue for damages on top of your insurance payout if your injuries are severe. Lawsuit insurance companies a lot of money and they pass on that expense to consumers. The next one is mandatory minimums. Each province has different rules about how much insurance you need to buy. Some province in Canada makes you to buy a lot of it. For example, in Newfoundland and Labrador, drivers need to buy $5 lakh worth of car insurance. The more car insurance or automobile insurance coverage you need to buy, the higher your bill will be. Oh, the more insurance of car coverage you need to buy, the higher your will be of insurance company. This is good.